In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your Google Calendar for 2025. It's an easy way to personalize your calendar and make it visually pleasing, while also helping to differentiate between different types of events or calendars if you have several. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process. First, you need to be aware that changing the color on your Google Calendar can be done in two ways. You can adjust the default color for an entire calendar, or you can assign individual colors to specific events. This is particularly helpful if you want a quick visual cue to categorize your entries, be it work related, personal, or leisure. With that in mind, let's get started. Go ahead and open your Google Calendar. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the section labeled My Calendars. This is where all your calendars are listed. Now find the specific calendar you want to customize. Hover your cursor over its name. This small action will reveal a set of options. You'll see three vertical dots right next to the calendar's name. Go ahead and click on these dots. This is essentially a More menu, and it's where you'll find options related to the calendar. Once you click those dots, you'll notice a palette of preset colors you can choose from. These colors can be applied directly if you're satisfied with any of them and are looking for a quick change. Hover over each color to see a preview. It's simple and often effective. However, if you're not finding what you want among these options or desire something a bit more specific, you'll also see a plus sign which allows you to choose a custom color. Clicking this option opens up a more detailed color picker where you can find precisely the shade you're looking for. This is perfect for people who have a very specific aesthetic or perhaps need to match colors with other tools they use. Once you've settled on your color of choice, make sure you click Save. This action will finalize your selection and apply the color change to your calendar, and that's all there is to it. You've just customized your Google Calendar with your chosen colors, making it far more personalized and easier to navigate. As a tip, when selecting colors, try to align them with the type of events or the mood you associate with different commitments. This can help you stay organized and visually streamline your day or week. Thank you for watching, and happy planning on your newly customized calendar.